gotta record this. Earthquakes could be predicted to 80% accuracy. New Israeli study method. Guess what? By studying changes in the Earth's ionosphere. Ah! You know what? Oh, God. I hate to fucking tell you so. But, I told you so. How many thousands of quakes have we used? They're predicted using ISWA. Compression, induction, telling you what magnitude, pretty much where. It's God, something we've been doing for a while now. But they needed to make a machine. Oh my God, I ain't gonna start. We taught little kids how to do it without a machine. It's not that hard. But yeah, that's funny. I just thought that was funny because we've been poo-pooed a lot about heatflation now. None of the inflation had anything to do with it until now. Just now, all globally, worldwide, globe, food prices because the food is scarce, motherfuckers. Wheat, corn, and rice. I've been saying gather it because it's dying. Look what the three crops make up nearly half the world's food supply. All are vulnerable to the extreme weather conditions like drought and heat. Without some help, we're going to lose our beloved food. Suck it. Yeah, more volcano stuff. Mid-deadly heat wave, Al Gore warns atmosphere could get a lot worse. Trust me, it will. And it ain't because of the reason he's saying. Oh yeah, and here's that Civil War I told you about. 1 in 3 Americans say it may soon be needed to pick up arms. Hmm. You can see right on this channel, my live shows on this fucking channel. We were predicting these daily for about 2 years, and then it got to be the point that it was ridiculous because we were so goddamn accurate. I got tired of doing it, so we just don't do it. So, I mean, I don't do it on the lives too much anymore. It's like a parlor trick now. It's like, fucking, yeah, I can predict a quake. It's fucking simple. I taught Dutch how to do it. He never wanted to let anybody know how or why. He thought I was crazy when I started talking about multiple fives a day. Well, we have multiple fives a day, and it ain't rocket science. It just wasn't wrong. We live in a three-sun system. We're getting crunched. Our ionosphere's getting crunched. Our fucking world's on fire. There's humans spiking and everything else I've warned you about. Up until this point of nuclear exchange and civil war. Guess what? It's coming. You can see it. I certainly hope. Mainstream news is seeing it. They're telling you about it every day. What can you do about it? Get over here to the bit shoot on my Angry Catfish channel. Right there. Right there. See the name? Don't ask for the name on this damn thing. I'll block you. I swear to God. Angry motherfucking catfish on bit shoot. Get over there. I got your information on how you can survive this. I'm not going to answer you where it's safe. It's safer than if you're living on the West Coast. Trust me. Anyway, I just wanted to, brag a whole bunch because I'm a narcissistic motherfucker. Gotta show you where I'm right all the time. So, you know what? We done discovered that timestamps before Israel did, and we don't need no machines. All right, that's it. I'm gonna go blow glass.